I lost 180 pounds, and during maintenance, some of the weight came back. This series documents losing 20 pounds realistically without panic, punishment, or starting over. Good morning. I am exhausted still. Me and the dogs went to bed about 7. Oh, it's probably 6:30, closer to 6. I don't know. Anyway, I was up a lot, up and down a lot, you know. I had to go bathroom, and they had to go to the bathroom. So, but anyway, what an amazing weekend. God truly blessed me this weekend. It was an experience like no other. I showed myself that, hey, if I do slow down and focus, I can make some good shots. You know what I mean? And if I try hard, I've never been a try hard person before I say that. Except for certain things. There's some things that I try hard. But anyway, and if I try hard and really put my mind to it, I can do something, guys. I'm just so proud of myself and my team. Man, everybody shut up. You know I have trouble with that. Everybody worked so stinking hard. It was insane. It was just such an amazing, amazing day. Like I said, we play again on June, July. I'm gonna have to ask just to make sure I get it right. And then what? Oh, so amazing. Oh, my eyes still hurt. My throat's killing me. My lungs are killing me. I was laughing. It's a Rivers Eagles Lodge. And I was laughing. I'm like, that probably had smoke. I probably told y'all this before, but I don't care. I don't remember what I said 5 minutes ago, the way I'm feeling right now. Anyway, there's probably smoke from 1950 in there. So anyway, so I am going to run to Walmart and get some throat cough lozenges because I had a lot of coughing last night. I didn't know they had steps to go up to their back door. I never look in people's houses. There's a back door in the back there, and they just have these random steps that go up to it. That's kind of funny. Shows what I know. I've been living here. I moved in 2011. So, and it's 2026. You do the math. I love you people, and I can't think clearly, but I'm going to work. Bye! Hey guys, we have no power and no internet currently at my building. It's like 5 after 9. It's supposed to come on at 11-ish, and it's actually the whole block because that Sire garage that's way up there that I go to, they don't have power either. And I wonder what the Frito-Lay people are doing next door if they don't have power. Like, we have emergency powers, but since everybody works from their computer, they we can't do it. Well, we could use the battery of our laptop. Well, look, there's those birds. I told y'all that in my video game, they're considered, oh my gosh, what are they? I can't remember, think of the fancy word. But anyway, in my video game, we have to shoot those birds and get their feathers for a special hat in the end. Oh, I shouldn't tell you that. But anyway, we're going to walk up the hill for now. And I don't want to use up my battery since we got 2 hours of no internet. But anyway, so how are y'all doing? I am still exhausted. But you guys, I am so happy and proud. Y'all going to hear about this for the next week, so you have to deal with it. The next time we play, it is the weekend of June 5th, 6th, and 7th. So I think that's Father's Day weekend. I think somebody said. I could be wrong. But anyway, that's when we play again. And I just realized I'm walking on the wrong side of the street. That's when we play again. And anyway, so for the tournament, it's called World Cup Qualifiers. And so we'll be trying to get qualified to go to the World Cup. Is the one that's in Vegas. So in Vegas, it's called the World Cup. And so it's this qualifiers that it's going to be down in Malden, which I looked, it's about an hour and 15 minutes away. And and I'm looking for hotels because I sure as shoot, I'm not going to get up at 5 o'clock in the morning as late as we played. Now, I will say the way it worked out was everybody who didn't qualify, like in theory, we should have played 4 matches, okay? Four rounds. I don't know what you call it. Four different teams. We should have played 4 different teams. The first one, because, they forfeited, we didn't play. So that just which is fine. So we won that one. But those people, so everybody the very final round, that was at 10 p.m., that was the kind of like the champion games. So the people who didn't make it to the very final bracket only had to play 3 games. So that fourth one at 10, by 10 o'clock, people were thinning out and leaving because there was only, I think, 6 teams playing for the, no, 12. I don't remember. I can't remember. But either way, at 10 o'clock. So in theory, even if we lost the first one, lost the second one, we would still be playing it. We'd be leaving. We'd play that third one and be leaving about 10 o'clock. So that's when I know. It was interesting because, like I said, the last time it was here in Cape, and so that was 2020, and I don't remember how that worked. But, as you know, that was 6 years ago. Gosh, that was when COVID really started. That's so wild to think about that. But anyway, so June 5th weekend, we go play for the World Cup qualifiers. And then if we win there, we get to go to the World Cup in Las Vegas. So this is an exciting year for me. And I'm so proud of myself. So now I just have to keep working on honing my skills and praying whenever I'm up to shoot and slowing down and focusing. So that's enough about that. How are you doing, you guys? Are you doing okay? Today's my Monday. Oh, so today's your Wednesday. How's your hump day going? How's your Wednesday? Are you staying the course? Have you veered off from what you're trying to do? Or are you just really just kind of taking it one day at a time and, just trying to do what you can do? Because, sometimes just waking up and getting out of bed is the best we can do that day. What we put in our mouth maybe isn't as important as just being able to get out of bed, There's days like that for sure. So if you have been able to get out of bed today, I'm proud of you. But if you have just been able to wake up and stay in bed and listen to me, I'm proud of you for that too. Because you know what? You woke up. And that's very valuable. So anyway, oh, look at those purple flowers. I know they're weeds, but I don't know what kind they are. They're prettyful. They're very prettyful. Anyway, so how's your Wednesday? You doing okay? Do you need me to come kick your tail and make you get up and do something? It's okay if you do. Sometimes I need that too. I ain't going all the way up to the garage, people. We're going to go ahead and turn around here. Anyway, I bet all these people have no power because I know the garage people don't. But like I said, they might have emergency lights like we have it in the hallway. So, some of these people, the companies, they might have emergency lights that they have. But, all right, I love you people. I'm going to head on back down to my building. And like I said, it's about 9:15. So we have another hour and 45 minutes without power. Bye. Okay, guys, I've got a lot to catch up on. I'm going to have 2 burgers, 1 piece of cheese, and then later on some Jell-O. I can't go out to my car and talk to y'all. I don't have time for that. So that's what I got up in a cran raspberry Zevia. So that's what I'm eating today. Here's how it looks before I eat it. So 2 burgers and a slice of cheese. I've been on the phone with my bestie, and I'm ready to eat. But tonight looks like I'm going to get a dinner and a show. I'm supposed to call her right back. So we got a couple days of short videos. It is 2 hamburgers. There's a little bit. My ketchup is so watered down. It's really more like tomato soup or thinner. So I've got some ketchup and some barbecue sauce and some minced onions in there. So that's what I'm going to be eating. Hang on. Hi. Welcome to my dinner and a show. I'll let you get a peek at them. So this is what it is. I actually cooked the burger in my skillet. I was kind of missing my cast iron skillet. Well, no, let me rephrase that. These are burgers that I took along on my trip. And I wanted them crispy edges. So basically I seared it. Got some electrolytes in this. Hang on here. It's been helping. I've been actually putting this by my bed at night. Like when I'm trying to watch videos and stuff but not quite ready to go to sleep. It's been keeping my brain busy instead of wanting to eat. This is... Ooh, I'm excited. It's chocolate malt with chocolate peanut butter. I'm excited for this one. All right, I think they're done. We're through playing now. That was on Hee Haw. So chocolate malt and chocolate peanut butter. I remember one of you had said you used coconut with chocolate peanut butter. And it was like a Almond Joy or Payday or something like that. I'm going to do that next. All right, y'all. That's all I got for you. I love you. I need to call my bestie back. Bye.